So there are a couple of steps which you can try. Now, the first thing what I would suggest you is I would suggest you to open a task manager on your computer by doing a right click on the taskbar and clicking on task manager. And the task manager, in case if you find any Chrome processes, you will have to do a right click on it and click on end task. So what this will do is it will end all the tasks which are running for your Google Chrome. Now, once this is done, you can try launching Google Chrome and see if that works. In case if that doesn't work, the next thing what I will suggest you is to check for your antivirus software. Now, it could be likely that your security software is giving a false positive. Security program might block Chrome. So this way, that is why you're not able to open Google Chrome. So probably you can try disabling the security software, or probably you can also try to uninstall it and check if it works. In case if that doesn't work, then I would suggest you to uh, delete the user profile in Chrome. In order to do that, what you will have to do is you will have to open Chrome on your on File Explorer on your computer. Either you can press Windows and E on your keyboard. Go to C drive. Once you go to C drive, you will have to go to user profile. Under user profile, you will have to go to your username. In my case, I have RayTube as my username. And under user profile, you will have to go to app data. You will have to, under app data, you will have to open local. Under local, you will have to look for Google. Under Google, you will find Chrome, and Chrome you will have to go to user data. Under user data you will find a folder called default. I will mention this path in the video description link. You can follow the path from the video description link. What I would suggest you is now the step what you're going to do is you will have to go ahead and delete this folder. Now before deleting this folder, now I would recommend you to take a backup of this folder by doing a right click on it and click on copy and put it somewhere on your desktop or any of your drive. Now, once you have done that, what I would suggest you is try launching Chrome. Once you have deleted the default folder, try launching Chrome on your computer and click on the settings, the three dotted lines here, and then go to settings. Under settings, scroll down and look for advanced. Under advanced, go ahead and look for reset and click on reset settings. Now what this will do is this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tabs. It will also disable all the extension and clear temporary data like cookies, your bookmarks, history and saved passwords uh, will not be cleared. So your bookmarks, history and saved passwords will not be clear. So when you delete the default folder, you will, when you launch your Chrome again, you will all your data related to your account or account which has been associated with your Google will be lost. So what you will have to do is you will have to sign into your Google account or Google Chrome again, but again once you do a reset. Now once this is done, once you do a reset, it will run that reset for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, so depending on the speed of your computer. Once this is done, what you will have to do is you will have to launch the Chrome in safe mode. So let me walk you through steps here. So your Google Chrome reset has been done. The next thing is, if you look at here, the bookmarks remains as it is, nothing has been changed. So close Google Chrome and open Google Chrome in application safe mode. You can do it by pressing Windows and R key on your keyboard, and in run command you will have to type Chrome space /safe. and hit enter, your Chrome would disable all the third-party add-ons which are associated with Chrome right now. It's basically running your application in safe mode. So once this is done, what you will have to do is you will have to check which add-ons are causing a problem. In case if this doesn't work, the next thing what I would suggest you is to run the Chrome cleanup tool. So you will have to open the settings again. You will have to click on the three dotted lines, click on settings. Under settings, you will have to scroll down here and click on advanced. And here you will have to look for cleanup computer. So what this will do is it will find any harmful software which is causing or conflicting your Chrome browser sessions. So once this is done, you can try relaunching Chrome and see if that works. So in case if all these steps doesn't work, the next thing I would suggest you is I would suggest you to reset the Chrome browser by reinstalling the Chrome again. You will have to uninstall Chrome from the Programs and Features by going to Programs and Features appwiz.cpl. That will take you to the Programs and Features window. Look for Chrome, highlight it, click on uninstall, and you will have to reinstall using a different browser, maybe Internet Explorer or Edge or Safari. So this is how you can go ahead and fix the Chrome issues in case if you're not able to launch it. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.